Hey everyone, so now we're going to talk about one of my favorite plugins, that is EA Forms. And by the way, their website is also very nice. EA Forms is very 2023 oriented. You can check it by their design and their choice of features of prioritizing AI and branding and simplicity, but I digress. What they do here is something that I love and that facilitates a lot of your marketing efforts, that is generating quizzes very easily. So, for example, let's see what I asked here. Help me create a 5-question quiz to make someone decide what ChatGPT marketing course they should take. The answers will be a copywriting one, a general marketing one, a ChatGPT Plugins one, and a ChatGPT SEO one. And then it selects a bunch of questions in the exact amount that I asked them. So 5 questions here. Asks the primary goal, and for each question, it shows for each answer here the points that it's attributing to each answer. So for example, if someone were to choose to learn how to leverage ChatGPT plugins for my business, it would be a point towards ChatGPT plugins course. And it's agnostic enough to not put any weight here, so you can put the weight you want for each one of them. But finally, it has all 5 questions here, with each answer nudging you towards one of the final results. And yeah, just as simple as that, it has created a quiz for us. So I did it again with a 7 questions one to have a type of body, or if the final answers being endomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorph. And you can see how you describe your metabolism. Slow, I gain weight easily, endomorph. Fast, I burn calories quickly, ectomorph. So it's very easy to do, very amazing. And let's do a final one here, just so you've seen in action. Create a 10 questions quiz about which game engine you should. The final results will be Unity, Unreal, and Godot. So the power of this here is that it takes away all the work of you coming up with the questions that you would need to come up with. And usually those questions are very simple. You just want to create them so your viewer engages more on your website. And it searches the web for you, and it makes content that makes sense. For example, the endomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorph one were very strong in the sense of they really translated what those types of bodies were about. So here, what's your level of programming experience? Beginner, Unity, Intermediate, Godot, Advanced, Unreal. I would disagree here a little bit, because Godot, I think, is a little bit more beginner-oriented than Unity. But again, you can tweak it any way you want. It's just a template it's creating for you. So both 2D and 3D, Unity, yeah, it makes sense. Unreal is indeed more geared towards 3D games. So you can see, and yeah, the languages are correct here. So you can see as it creates the quiz, it has this small bug here of this blinking space, but don't worry, when it finally completes the answer, it stops blinking. But I really love this one. I really love this one because I'll never create another quiz again without before coming here with EA Forms. And again, if you like it, I really suggest you making an account here. It's for sure cheaper than Typeform. You can see it here that even in the most expensive plan, it's still like $10 or $20 cheaper than Typeform. So I really suggest you checking it out. And yeah, that's how you use it. Very simple, very straightforward. And from these, you can create this in any way you want. You can not even use EA Forms, because this, like I said, is so agnostic that you can use anywhere you want. So yeah, remember, you can customize these questions, etc. So that's it, guys. And I'll see you once I have more plugins for you to see the full power of ChatGPT with plugins, okay? That's it, thanks so much, and I'll see you when it's here. Bye-bye.